Okay, so we're on the fourth and last problem here, and it says what's the maximum number of years the function f of x equals 4 times 1.5 to the x power could model the number of people out of 100 who own laptops. Describe how you use the graph and our function to determine your answer. Let's go look at the graph real quick. What the heck? Okay. So we're dealing with China here because this is the 4 times 1.5 to the x power. And if we look at this graph, we can deal with any years. Obviously, we can't deal with any years before 0 because that's when we started, was year 0 at 2000. And then as we go up, it looks like the graph exceeds, it doesn't actually say, so our graph stops at 20, but basically the idea is, okay, listen to this, is that when you exceed 100, then your function doesn't work anymore, because you can't have like 126 people out of 100. That doesn't make sense. So the highest you can get is 100 out of 100 people own laptops, and that's when your function stops. So we need to find out when that happens. Let me just write that down real quick. The function doesn't work when your value is greater than 100. So let's find out when that happens. I think it's between like year 6 and 7, I think. So let's punch in our calculator, turn it on. So 4 times 1.5 to the 6 power equals, let's see, f of, oh my gosh, I hate when this thing messes up. F of 6, there we go, equals 1.5. Oh my gosh, that's not it. I'll get it right. Okay, 4 times 1.5 to the 6 power, that equals 45.6. What's f of 7 equal? F of 7, 4 times 1.5 to the 7 power. Oh, okay, so it's not 7 yet. So 4 times 1.5 to the 7 power equals 68.3. Maybe it was f of 8, hopefully. 1.5 to the 8th power. There we go. So f of 8 equals 4 times 1.5 to the 8th power equals 102. So that's the one. That's as high as we can. So after year 2008, then our function does not work anymore. Okay, hopefully that makes sense. So after we get past 100 out of 100 people, then we don't need our function anymore, because that means that 100% of the people in the population have laptops then. Okay, so that's number 4, and that's the end of the practice test for the cell phone thing. So go ahead and go on the website, print out the real task for your name, and start working on that, and good luck.